in the lungs, iron in the blood, chains on the wrists, ash in the flood. Welcome to the pit. I came by rail through the dead gray smoke, past the bones of bridges the old world broke. Saw the skyline burning like a furnace crown, steel and sorrow welded into one black town. Men with hollow faces, women scarred by fire, children learning early how to feed the pyre. Every breath a tax and every shift a knife. In the pit you don't work for caps, you work for life. And the sky rains cinders, and the mills still scream like America's corpse caught inside a machine. In the furnace of the pit, where the weak get fed to flame, where the chains bite deep and no one believes the same. In the furnace of the pit, where the ash falls like a crown, you can choke on power or get buried with the town. They set a shore-built order from the wrecking mud, raised a kingdom out of iron, discipline and blood. Said he holds tomorrow in a cradle wrapped in steel. Said one child might cure what all these thousands feel. But I've seen the workers dragging sacks of human pain, seen the brands, the cages and the sickness in the rain. He can speak a future till his throat runs dry. Still a chain is a chain, even under a hopeful lie. And the gods march proud with their rifles in grace, while the workers cough black and rot in place. In the furnace of the pit, where the weak get fed to flame, where the chains bite deep and no one leaves the same. In the furnace of the pit, where the ash falls like a crown, you can choke on power or get buried with the Thames. Then the tunnel started breathing and the dark began to move. Trucks crawling through the underside with nothing left to lose. Men once broken past repair, now teeth and rage and need. The city makes its monsters, then pretends it did not breed. And in the center of the nightmare, in the room above the cries, a baby sleeps like stolen hope beneath a tyrant sighs. Is she salvation? Is she mercy? Is she one more thing to own? How many bodies build a future before the soul is gone? Hammer down, chain drag, lock stack, bone crack, now clean hands, no pure sight, only what survives. Werner speaks of freedom with revenge beneath his tongue. Ashes speaks of order like a sermon from a gun. One wants blood for all the years one wants time bought with Cain, and the people in the middle where the bruises are the same. So I walked among the workers and I heard the old truth ring when men fight to rule the ruins. It's the slaves who bear the sting. Maybe hope can still be born in such a blackened place, but it ought not wear a shackle and it ought not hide its face. Still remembers every scream, ash remembers every name. Nothing built on broken backs ever rises clean from flame. In the furnace of the pit, where the weak get fed to flame, where the chains bite deep and no one leaves the same. In the furnace of the pit, hear the foundry shake the ground. If there's a future here, let it tear these walls down. Smoke in the lungs, iron in the blood, hope in the dark, buried in the mud. Welcome to the pit.